welcome back to Pons Capital TV. Back again with another one. So today it's another day in a life. It's a pub vlog, of course, and yeah, I'm balancing between work and being a student because it's tough out here. So now time is 7 o'clock in the morning. And my shift started 7:30, so I'm a bit earlier today. And yeah, I have my hot bath here. So yeah, let's go. Yeah, what else can I say? I think we will also go to campus today. We are balancing student life and being at work. It's tough out here. So yeah, let's go. Now I'm already here at work, already clocked, and I will quickly make myself an oats, instant oats. So yeah, let's make an oats, and then after that we will chow, then you are good for the day. And yeah, everything is sorted, we'll start working. So let's start. So now I just received an order. Now, so let's go and work. I'm still shopping for a customer. Then yeah, let me just put the camera down and work, because these people will start saying I'm not working, I'm busy vlogging. So yeah, let me go and finish whatever I'm doing. took another order now. I just took another order. It's a second order for the day. I think I'll make 5 orders and then, yeah, but I don't know. I will see as the time goes. So, yeah, let me keep on working. So I'm done with that now. I'm submitting. So I just quickly did, I think 7 orders. I did 7 orders now, so I'm bolting to campus. So yeah. And yeah, but Saupinan boy. Sayopala ho. Oh yeah, I'm waiting for a bolt now. So yeah, I'm going to campus, and then after that, I think I'll come back to work. Let me check those Woolies Dash drivers. There are they. I'm still waiting for Bolt now. It's coming. It's a Suzuki Swift to campus. So yeah, I'll just quickly wait. Now I'm here at Belleville campus. And I will quickly grab a shuttle. I'm not grabbing. I will quickly take a shuttle. to D6 campus there in town. So yeah, that's where I'm going to attend. And then after that, I think 2 o'clock. Now it's 10 o'clock now. I think around 2 o'clock, and then I'll be leaving D6 to in Belleville, and then from here to Brackenfell. So I'm going back to work after campus. I'll just attend 3 classes, and then after that, I'll go back to work. But I will see if I will be able to do that. So yeah, let's go. Now I'm here at campus. I will quickly attend the class, and then after that I will communicate with you what's going to happen, because I don't know. Yo, it's cold here in Cape Town. Yo, it's cold. But yeah, but the class is starting in 16 minutes now. 16 minutes past 11, and then you're starting at 11:30. So I'm a bit early. So yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do now. Maybe I'll chat with the guys, and then after that we'll attend the class, and then we are good. Otherwise, let's go. So now it's 1 o'clock. I'm heading back home. I just go attender. I can just put it like that. So the classes are over now. Yo, I just wrote an exam, unprepared exam, and I'm stressing. I'm not okay. That's all I can say. I'm not okay. So yeah, but it was prepared. Let me not say it was unprepared. It was prepared because I had my notes. But then, the questions that they were asking there, they are not make sure. But we'll try and improve that. So yeah, I'm a little bit sad, but yeah, we'll be okay next time. Bojo? That's the wrap of today's video. I'm at home now. It's 5:30. So yeah, I think this is the wrap of today's video. So if you haven't liked the video, please like, please subscribe, comment where you're watching the video from, and you can comment if you wanna be a Woolies Dash driver or Woolies Dash shopper. I can easily create another video telling how to apply and what do you need and stuff like that. So for me to you, I think that's it. Danko.